It's me once again. Because I can't make videos longer than 15 minutes long, I had to make a part 2 of my Catkool drawing video, like how to draw Catkool. So we're going to do part 2. In which case we have sad Catkool. In which case we learn how to do happy Catkool. In which case, before we move on to angry, I want to show you how to make an open mouth on Catkool. If you want Catkool to have an open mouth, you basically just do that. Color it in. In which case, Catkool doesn't have eyebrows, but I want to try adding an eyebrow here and see what it looks like. Actually no. In fact, let me give Catkool a different pose. In fact, let me raise her tail up a little bit more. In which case, to make just like on my profile picture, Catkool with, or you know what. In which case, do that, and her eyes look like that. Kind of hard to explain, now she looks extra happy. Happy Catkool, sad Catkool. Let's go from happy to mad. Angry. In which case, Catkool never smiles when she's mad. In fact, you probably have never even seen her mad. Or maybe you have, or I'll remember making a project that featured Catkool mad. In which case, I'm gonna think about this. Oh wait, I do have a project that I was working on. It was like a boss fight with an arch nemesis of hers called Matt Bull. I'm so sorry that I'm childish, okay? But anyways, Matt Bull, which case was a boss battle, just like trying to fight the Koopalings in like it's new Super Mario Bros. Wii or whatever. Which case it never ended up getting finished, and it was having too many issues. If you guys know how to code a boss battle that does feature being able to jump on them like they're Goombas or whatever, in which case if you know how to do that, let me know in the comments and please show me how. In a tutorial or whatever. Or if you're on Scratch, you can give me a starter and I can add some attacks and stuff or whatever. In which case, Catkool has her angry face on when battling him. In which case, the tiniest bit we're gonna make her eyes a little bit small, even though her eyes weren't smaller when she was mad, Oh no, I don't want it that thick. In which case, okay, those small peoples actually don't really look that good. Yeah, let's just copy, paste. Go to the front wire. Which case, she's not gonna look at you, since she was not gonna look at you angry. Why not? Because she loves you guys, and she will be upset if you don't subscribe. Yeah, don't make Catkool look like this if you don't subscribe. Like, seriously, maybe instead of showing my face on videos, maybe I could have like a Catkool icon in the side. And then she could I could be doing animating her to move her mouth along a mine. In which case, my name is not Catkool. My name is something different, and I'm never sharing that with you guys. I'm sorry. but it's to protect myself. You know what? Understand I'm not 14 yet. All you need to know. Oh, hang on. Someone's calling me. I'll be back. I am back now. I just had to talk with my friend on the phone. He has the YouTube channel Hyperlost843. In which case, yeah, I know him IRL in real life. I knew him in real life before I knew about him on YouTube. Let's continue drawing Catkool. In which case, we're making Catkool like a mad Catkool. There's all sorts. In which case, oh my god! Oh no! Okay, let's just do that. I want to try something. Hold on, let me add. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. In which case, can't forget the anger symbol. In which case, sorry, I was kind of quieting down a little. In which case, going to add that. If this tutorial is going too fast for you, you can always slow down. In fact, let me change the color of this. I like that color. It doesn't look right. Is that good? Yeah, it's good. In which case, let's spice up that tail. Let's see. We're gonna fill it up. Like now it's all filled up. It drank all the orange juice, so it tastes like golden. Okay, what's the good mess around? We gotta move on. In which case, I gotta go to bed soon, so this is part 2. If I have to make a part 2, you'll have to wait 3. But anyways, that is Catkool, who is mad. Now let's make her scared, and then we'll do a sleepy Catkool. I'll do more emotions in the future. Which case, this will be a good time to add. This will be a good time to add smaller eyes and a curvy mouth like this. In which case, she'll also have some sweat. By the way, Catkool is a girl. Let's do some bending here. No. No, she wants to picture your nose. Okay, let's stop. Let's stop. Okay, but let's move. Which case, we want her to cross her legs, almost like she needs a bathroom, but she doesn't. She is scared. In which case, in fact, she'll have her tail kind of tucked up behind her because she's scared. In which case, there's also going to be some sweat running down her face because she is scared. We want it to be wider than before. In which case, we want a water drop-like figure, and then fill her up. In which case, I want to try adding something. You don't have to do this if it's too much work for you, but you can do it if you want. And some of that. In which case, we have scared Catkool. Now, lastly, we're going to do with tired Catkool. I might work on more in the future, but currently I am just going to do these emotions. In which case, Catkool is not really going to be frowning, but she's also not going to be really smiling that much either. In which case, we're going to move every... No! In which case, we actually want her to have her eyes like closed. You know, I think, yeah, that's good. In which case, you don't have to draw Catkool the same way, but if you want Catkool to look like Catkool, go ahead and follow this tutorial. And also, if you're following me and want to participate in my 100 followers drawing contest, then you can, if you need help drawing Catkool, watch this. It's a good I recommend watching this video. In which case, it's going to probably I hope it helps you. If it doesn't, I apologize. In which case, let's make her do a O face. Or you can make her have her mouth closed, but there's a reason I want it open. Because she's snoring, actually. And then make this U shape. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to. Did you guys see what that W had afterwards? But anyways, you stop messing around. I gotta go to bed soon. In which case, add this shape and make sure it's tilted. If you want Catkool to be weighing down, then I suggest you have it tilted. You know what? I think I don't really like the look of this face. This doesn't seem right. I think I'm just going to lift it up a bit. Let's see the front. In which case, here's the last detail we're going to add before we end this video. The shape I didn't draw quite right. I got an idea. Copy, paste, take the drop. Go ahead and add onto here. You don't have to add this detail, but if you want to, you can. And if you don't want to add highlight, you don't have to. But I'm going to do it. In which case, yeah, that was my tutorial. This happy Catkool, sad Catkool, angry Catkool, scared Catkool, tired Catkool. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you again soon. Adios.